there is this very popular opinion that Akshay Kumar on set loves to play pranks.
Yes.
Did he do that with any of you?
Of course he did.
Tell me one of the craziest pranks he's played.
I can't tell. No, it was very cute. जैसे मैंने
Subtly ऊपर से बता दो.
हाँ, मतलब जैसे मतलब कुछ बोलेंगे, अच्छा ये बोलो ये बोलो ये बोलो ये बोलो, and then उसी flow में आप बोलते जाएंगे and then you'll end up saying something, then you're like you know, those kind. He'll make you say something stupid, or he'll आपका चप्पल गायब कर देंगे, because I had a habit of sitting like this, and मेरा एक पैर से मैं चप्पल उतार के ऐसे करके बैठती थी, एंड तो मैं जब नीचे पैर रखूँ तो फिर अरे चप्पल कहाँ है. It was like that. So cute, sweet, silly things like this.
But who was his favorite bakra on set?
His favorite bakra used to trouble Vamika a lot. Even Rajpal sir को बहुत परेशान करते थे.
हाँ, Rajpal sir को तो Rajpal sir has told me physical comedy would happen even without the shots.
Yes. And I'm so lucky, Nawaz. I was there for all the main जो legendary, iconic shots है ना फिल्म के.
Yes.
वो सारे जो first half में जितना भी comedy है वो सारे sequences में मैं हूँ. So I did not know कि my God ये इतना बड़ा out of proportion. Also ठीक है इंसान शूट करता है, but how much of it actually makes it to the film after an edit, we don't know. So it was very late in the day that I saw the film and I realized, oh my God, I'm really prominent. So it was like a shock to me also. Whatever I shot made it to the table. So I was very grateful to Priyank sir because उनकी वजह से ये film मिली मुझे. Obviously, I have been his heroine in 2005 in a film called Vettam in Malayalam, which has now in 2026 got cult status. It's re-releasing soon, and I did not, मतलब जब release हुई थी तो it had not done very well because of some producer strike, but now it's become, and we actors have become a household name in every house in Kerala, which is wow, exactly, it's wow.
Also, you know, this was one of Mr. Asrani's last films. What are your memories of him? What were the conversations you all would have, you know, once the camera stopped rolling?
I remember him being he's like a schoolboy on set.
Okay.
He's just concerned with his dialogues, his lines, what he has to do, and so disciplined. So that for me was a very striking feature.
Achha.
And he's very particular कि वो अपने कॉस्ट्यूम में कभी फ़ोटो नहीं खिंचवाते, एंड कॉस्ट्यूम वेरी स्वीट, वेरी काइंड, एंड बट अपने काम पे फोकस उनका ऐसा था जैसे ही इज़ अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ सिनेमा इवन टुडे आफ्टर decades of experience, and you know you would think कि इतना senior actor would just come and breeze through. No, he would actually work at it. Also to keep up with Akshay Kumar sir is not easy.
You know, from working in the film to, you know, gaining the prominence and becoming one of the most searched faces on the internet, what was that like? You know, when did you realize that actually people were going and googling who you are after Bhoot Bangla released?
Yeah, that I discovered only when IMDb put up a list of most searched Indian faces, Indian celebrity faces, and Netflix पे आई थी film उसी हफ्ते. So yeah, probably people were trying to see who that girl is. I was just surprised. I'm telling you, it was all unexpected. That's why I didn't do any promotional activities of my own, because I thought कि आएगी जाएगी फिल्म, कोई देखेगा भी, मतलब फिल्म तो देखेंगे ऑब्वियसली, इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, पर मुझे कोई नहीं नोटिस करेगा. But it's just blown out of proportion.
Universe had other plans, of course.
Yes, and calls, God is great, Universe is great, and thank you Priyank sir, but the phone hasn't stopped ringing since.
And professionally, how much has, you know, this prominence in Bhoot Bangla changed things for you?
Professionally, it has opened up, like you say, the second innings of my film career, because when I went to do musical theatre all over the world, I thought people will not forget, but even though I was so busy doing that, whenever I would come back, I would have to remind people that, hey, I'm here, still an actress. And then, yes, I would get some
Okay.
work. But like you said, na, how to maneuver that.
Correct.
Going on tour, then coming back to India, working, then again.
क्योंकि वो प्रोड्यूसर्स को एक पॉपुलर ओपिनियन बन जाता है कि अरे वो तो यहाँ रहती ही नहीं है तो why should we sign her?
Exactly.
That happened with you?
Yeah, there's like तुमको तो पेरिस में नाइटहुड मिल गया होगा, या तुम तो परीजियन, तुम्हारा पासपोर्ट दिखाओ, शेंगेन है या इंडियन है अभी ऐसे बोलते थे. सो या फिर समटाइम्स पीपल वुड थिंक कि मैं साउथ में ही हूँ बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड इन द
yes.
साउथ, यू नो. So yeah, a lot of these things. Although I did films I did Fast Forward, I did Fraud Saiya, I did Tez, I did
Right.
I did many films in those 10 years also. Lekin yeah, the popular impression is that I was out of India much more.
But tell me one thing, in 25 सालों में what has been the toughest professional decision you had to make?
Oh God, toughest professional decision. I think it was in 2005 when my career as a film actress, lead film actress, was booming. I decided to leave everything and go do musical theatre like a gypsy vagabond all over the world. That was a very, मुझे रातों की नींद मेरी गायब हो गई थी. I had the contract of one film and the contract of Bharti. That was the name of the show. And I was like, it took me 1 week, which contract am I going to sign? That was a very difficult phase in my life.
Wow. And you know, coming to Pritam Pedro,
Yeah.
again stepping into Rajkumar Irani's world,
Yeah.
what is that like?
Oh, Raju sir is so, his films, his lineage, his work has a universe of its own.
Right.
And Pritam and Pedro also has a universe of its own. I'm a very small part of this show.
Of course.
And but quite an essential, important part as well. His films feel like a nice warm hug. His work feels like that. Pritam and Pedro is also a nice, you know, it'll make you smile, it'll make you laugh, it'll feel like a nice warm hug, and very, very entertaining.
And the show also has Veer, his
Yes,
Rajkumar sir's son.
I'm so excited for Veer because
What was your impression of him?
Veer had done some acting workshops with us because I work with Naseer sir in Motley. So he had come to, हम लोग pandemic में ऐसे ही मिलते थे to do some
अच्छा.
रियाज, you know, acting workshops. So Veer had come for some of those workshops, and that was my first interaction with him. I had seen him as a baby because my first film Tere Liye was edited by Raju sir.
Oh,
So I know him from the beginning of my career. That's
what a
also,
life coming to full circle this is.
yeah, full circle. So when we reconnected because of Arun Avinash sir and Rituja, I reconnected with Raju sir on this show. But Veer was, so I'd seen Veer as a kid, and now I see him as this fully grown, studying acting in London School of Drama, and I was so impressed by him. He has, I think he has a very, very bright future ahead of him because people are not ready. It's going to be so unexpected what he's done in the show, and his talent is something to watch out for.